Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Taurus is here to do another one for y'all, for us, everybody included. That's the cross watchers, that's the eavesdroppers. All of y'all are welcome. Thank you for being here. This is an expression of my gratitude. So look, peep game. Don't mind the sirens outside. This is New York City. But anyhow, the cards are already out here. I did not bamboozle you, and I'm not even gonna throw them in your face like that. Hey yo, it's crazy work, but just pay attention, alright, Taurus? Listen. Be cautious, Taurus. I mean, most of the times you are. So I'm just saying, I'm reiterating that. You know what I mean? And I say that because someone is paying you some mind. Someone is minding your business. Someone is paying you attention. And this person is someone like, think of someone who fell from grace. All right? Think of somebody who used to be the shit back in the days, or maybe just not even that maybe that not that prime time. Maybe it's just someone in the family, or that held a position in the family that was upheld for some time, and then it's just like, okay, your time came and went, like, let it go. One of those types of things. And now you're on a come up. So you may be younger than this person, and again, it doesn't have to pertain to a family member, or it might pertain to someone else just in general, but this person has some type of rank, have some type of authority. Let's put it that way. You know what I mean? But they're full of themselves. They are fucking full of themselves. And they only really care about themselves. They just want to, whenever a conversation comes up, like you could be talking about what you're going through, they want to talk about what they're going through. That's their response. And it's just like continuous. You peep game, you know that about this person. It's just like, yo, you already got rank. It'd be bugged out because it'd be the people with rank, whatever that means to you, right? That normally behave in that type of way. It's just like, yo, you got it all. You won already. What the fuck? You won already. What the fuck is you trying to still one up people for? You know what I'm saying? And they also are a liar. I'm just keeping it a bean. So you may know who this person is by the way that I described them as of right now. And it's kind of like they're looking at you. They're looking down on you. But this money that's coming in for you right now is looking up to you. You have an offering here. You have something being presented to you, a prosperous proposition. All right, this may be a new job. It's definitely new money. You may be getting offered to do a job that you didn't necessarily think that you was going to get paid for. Like, oh, this old thing, like, yeah, I just did this in my spare time, and they're like, yeah, well, we want to pay you for that. Or you might have been browsing online and just answering questions, I don't know, doing a survey or something, and somebody hit you up and be like, yo, we want to pay you to do this survey now. Or and you're like, what the fuck, for real? And like, yeah, it's gonna last for 6 weeks or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's some new money coming in, and but it seems like this is going to be something that's done on a continuous basis. What this is, what this is too. It's something that you're knowledgeable about, and you got some skin in the game when it comes to it. There is a, how you say it, you could play the long game when it comes to this. Hey, yo, pause. But you can, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is something that you can do continuously, and you can see yourself doing in the long run. So it's expected of you to garner some strength, because you're going to need it. You're going to need strength in yourself, but more importantly, able to control especially the negative emotions, not ignore them, but control them, master them, lord over them, speak with them, let them be your friends, your demons. All right? Don't ignore them, don't push them down, but lord over them, master them, because you're going to need it, because you're going to be successful. You already are successful, but it's just like this is being added on to you because you have a track record of just keep on going. You just keep on going. And that's why you're getting this offer presented to you for the finances. Now, what's going to come with that is more people that are like this person that I described in the beginning. They may even be part of the same group. They may even, what I'm getting? I'm getting the vibes of this. These people are a couple. They're a couple, and if they're not like exclusive, they're like fucking around. And they've been fucking around for some time now. But it may be people may not be none the wiser, but people got a hunch and be like, yeah, I know they fucking around. I've been knew they was fucking around. They just never caught them, or they never heard them say it outright, or whatever the case may be. And these two people could be one and the same. And the way that you'll know who this other person is they talk about people. They are condescending, and they'll leak it to you. They'll let you know by talking about somebody while they're speaking to you. And the person just can't be trusted. They can't be trusted. And that's why I say be cautious, because they may still have access to you, right? And they may present some type of proposition to you just to lure you into conversation, to get you talking, to get you expressing what it is that you got going on for yourself. And if you were to vent to this person, mistake. I'm telling you right now, do not tell that person anything that you're going through. And you might not want to tell them the good news either. Find a way to like dodge around it, because this person's angle is they're biased. Despite them maybe being able to show that they like you in some type of way, they're still biased to someone else, and it might even be to themselves. But they're biased in the situation, and that's why they can't be trusted. They don't put things in perspective. They just stick to their perception. Now, what's going to come from that, though, because you're going to be speaking with that person, though. And what's going to derive from that is new plans, new intelligence is going to derive from that, because you're gonna gain inspiration from speaking with them. You know how sometimes you could speak to someone that you know don't necessarily fuck with you, and they playing it close, they playing like they do, and you still talk with them, not to give them the benefit of the doubt, but just so you can get information too. Like, they're not the only one. They might be digging for information, but you get some information in the same token, and then the next thing you know, you get inspired to create something or do something new. You get a breakthrough because of what they spoke to you about, and you could like sense the low-key hate and the backhand compliments and all of that shit. That's the type of thing that's going to happen and occur after this, having a discussion with that person. So I'm hoping that I have given you, and you're going to meet more stimulating people after that as well. So don't fret and think like, man, where are the real friends? Where's my real crew at? Like, nah. With the new intelligence and the new money and realizing who these haters are, you're going to get people who are real solid friends that actually, you know what I mean, are with what you're doing and not trying to like hate on you because of you doing what you're doing and getting what you're getting. Like, it's entitled to you. You earned that. But yeah, hopefully you'll be able to determine who these people are, who these haters are, because that's what they are. I might just put haters in the fucking title because that's just what they are, yo. I'm keeping it a bean. Till next time, I'm out.